Have you ever wondered why some industries seem to have a product on every corner while others are wide open? Let's talk market saturation. Market saturation is the point where a company or industry can no longer find new customers to buy their specific product or service. In a saturated market, there are effectively no new buyers left. Growth is no longer about reaching more people, but winning over existing ones. You can spot a saturated market by looking for price wars, constant advertising, and brands that focus heavily on keeping the customers they already have. Growth markets are about expanding the total pie, while saturated markets are about fighting to keep your slice of the pie. This chart shows how industries often start with rapid adoption, but eventually flatten out as they hit a ceiling of available customers. When everyone has the same product, companies must innovate or improve their service to earn a customer's loyalty. Understanding market cycles helps you evaluate business models more clearly. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more deep dives.